Afternoon, folks. So today we are going to be baling hay with our John Deere 5325 and our New Holland Sperry 310 hay liner baler. The hay that we have currently, it's not the best cutting we've ever had, as it's been super dry until July, late June, early July time frame, and then we got about 7-8 inches of rain, and for the past week it's been dry. We have rain coming in the forecast in about 3 days, and it's going to be 50 to 80% chance for the next 4 days after that. So we decided to cut it, and it was about time to cut it because everything was about to turn and dry up. So we wanted to get as much hay as we could off of it. Didn't really get much off of it anyways, but I'll show you what we're working with, and we'll start baling soon. So these are our windrows. They're not really big for any means at all, but there's some decent leaves of brome in here, some decent alfalfa clumps, but nothing too impressive. Last year, I think we pulled 250, maybe 300 bales off this field, and I'm guessing we might get 30 or 40, if I had to guess. So yeah, it's nothing. And once you get out in the middle of the field out here, there's barely any material. It's bad. Now on the second hayfield we cut, which is just right over there, it's even skinnier, so I ended up double windrowing them together. So I put these two together into one windrow, so it's just easier to bale. So.
Take that picture down and throw it on the floor. Would it turn me into the guy you were always looking for? And the signs of depression keep rolling around the bend, and I hope that my last dollar will help me on the mend. Yeah, I know that I ain't that moldable, but goddamn, I can't help myself. I love that rodeo, and if only you knew what I was and all that I want, yeah, to let me roll down blacktop till I can't find a place to stop. And if you need my help, then come along, 'cause I've been going too long to be alone. All the rank broncs and the steers can fight my way past beers, and I hope I'm not the only one inside here fighting tears. Yeah, you got a job in another town. We tried to make it work, but all the signs kept leading me to black soil dirt. But the lonesome whistle echoes on for everyone to hear. After we broke up, my bright side shine and everything is clear. In another town, in another year, they had one on near there. After the ride, me and my boys went out to clear the air, and across the stop at a roadside bar off Hammer Avenue was a stripping girl from my hometown with a devil tattoo. Tried to take her back home and get her on the straight and right. Took a photo on an old iPhone to commemorate the night. And if I could go back all them years, county jail. I set a table for two. I said I'll send you back there one last time. Traffic go this year, 'cause your daughter's graduating, and I'm sure she wants you here. Come around September time, we all thought she was good, but there's something in a bottle in a dollar store backwood. We found her by the rafters of her old two-trailer home, and the only one who knows is a porcelain garden gnome. Laid her down in our hometown, we really fought for her, and her mom and dad picked a coffin out of old Fraser fir. They told me not to bash myself, did all that I could. Told me if I'm down, come around, tell us all the things you could. If you need my help, then come along, 'cause I've been going too long to be alone. All the rank broncs and the steers can fight my way past beers, and I hope I'm not the only one who's out here fighting tears. And I hope I'm not the only one who's out here fighting tears.
Okay, so here's one of the bales. It's pretty dry. I'm gonna guess about 8% moisture. There is alfalfa clumps in it. I mean, where is it? But these are pretty old. That's a weed. That's not alfalfa. Where's the alfalfa? There's some alfalfa. But yeah, it smells like that, like candy smell. When you have good hay, you can smell that, like it's like a candy apple kind of smelling. It's like Jolly Rancher. I can't really. If you ever done hay, you know what it smells like, and that I can kind of smell it on that bale, but I can tell that's not one of the better bales out here. Like, where would be a better one? Let's go check out this bale over here. These are firm packed, which I'm surprised we were able to do off this. Look on the end here, you can see this about 2.5 good tabs of brome, and that smells really good, feels really good. It's about the right moisture, but yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of baling up this hay. It wasn't the best hay we've ever made, but it wasn't the worst. It smelled pretty good and ended up making some pretty nice quality hay out there. But if you guys did enjoy today's video, please consider liking and subscribing down below so I can keep bringing these quality, great videos to you guys. If you have any comments or suggestions about my farm or anything in general about my farm, please leave them down below as well. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.